Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to use the LoopNet Business Listings Scraper by ParseForge, which you can find on Apify. It's used to collect detailed business opportunity data directly from LoopNet using API-based filters. This scraper collects comprehensive business listing data from LoopNet, including asking prices, cash flow, gross income, location details, and full contact information. It's designed for business brokers, investors, and researchers who need structured marketplace data without manually browsing listings. So, how does it work? Unlike some other scrapers, this actor works entirely through API filters. There's no start URL. Everything is controlled through search parameters like location, price ranges, and financial metrics. The only required field is the location, which must be entered in city, state format. For example, New York/NY. In this example, I'm searching for restaurant businesses in New York. You can filter by asking price, cash flow, and gross income independently. Setting a value to 0 removes that limit, which is useful when you want broader market coverage without excluding any results. You can also narrow results by how recently a listing was posted or by the year the business was established. This helps when you want newer opportunities or more established businesses. Once you've set up all your filters, you simply hit Start. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. After the run finishes in just a couple of seconds, you'll see this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents a business listing with financial data like asking price, cash flow, and gross income. You'll also see location details, employee counts, inventory value, franchise status, contact names, phone numbers, and image galleries when available. You can also download this as a CSV, JSON, or Excel file. Useful for investment analysis, lead generation, or internal research workflows. This scraper is ideal for investors, brokers, and researchers who want structured access to LoopNet business listings without manual searching. And remember, if you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we would appreciate a review. Thank you.